Hiram, we're gonna do animal sounds, okay? What does the chicken say? What does the cat say?
Meow.
What does the dog say? Woof. What does the snake say? What does... Hey, Hiram. What does the duck say?
Duck.
What does the duck say?
Duck.
What does the dog say? Hey.
Duck.
What does the cat say?
Meow.
Oh, we've already done cat, huh? What else do you know? What does the cow say?
No.
What does the sheep say? Why don't you look at me?
Meow.
Look at me. What does the cow say?
Moo.
What about the sheep?
Ba.
What about the chicken?
Buck.
What about, what else do we know? What about an elephant? What about, look at me. What about a duck? Duck? What does a duck say? Okay, say bye. Say bye.
Bye.